In this video, I'll be modeling something that is an excellent way to connect with kids, improve speech development, and increase compliance in prosocial behaviors. It goes by many different names. In the play therapy world, it's called tracking. In conscious discipline, it's called noticing. In PCIT, or parent-child interaction therapy, it's the skill of describing. And a lot of other people simply refer to it as sportscasting. What you're going to be doing is providing a play-by-play of what a child is doing. As you watch me, notice that I never ask questions. I am simply describing what a child is doing. After you've watched me, play back the video, mute it, and give it a try yourself. You're taking the lid off. You're pulling the blue Play-Doh out with your fingers. You're trying to shake it to get it out. You're pulling with your fingers again. You're going to try to get it out that way. This Play-Doh is hard to get out, but you are not giving up. You're trying with your fingers again. You're rolling it between your hands, rolling it into a ball. You're squeezing it, and rolling it again. Rolling it on the table. You're squeezing it with your fingers, pressing it down on the table, pressing it into a circle shape, getting it flat. Seeing if the butterfly will fit. You're making it a little bit bigger. Pressing it out some more. It's big enough for the butterfly. You're pressing it down with your fingers. Pulling it up. Some of the Play-Doh is stuck to the butterfly. You're squishing all that together. You're getting something. Well, you figured out you can poke all that through with a toothpick. Getting all those little pieces out. You're picking those up, rolling them together, rolling it out that way, rolling it longer and longer on the table. Now you're getting the knife. You're cutting it in small pieces, cutting it into more pieces, putting those over there, got them all in a pile. Now you're pressing that out flat, pressing it, getting the spatula and turning it over. Pressing the spatula down to flatten it. Now you're cutting it. Cutting it again the other way. Cutting it some more. Cutting it into small pieces. Now you're making a star. Well, you're showing me the star. Squeezing that, rolling it, pressing it out. Now you're rolling it out with that to get it really flat. Making another star. Holding it up to show me. Now you're getting all the Play-Doh in your hand. You're going to put it back in. You're pressing it down with your fingers, smushing it all in there, making sure it all fits. You're getting the little pieces and dropping them in one by one, squishing them down, putting the lid on, making sure it's nice and tight so the Play-Doh will be soft for the next person. Getting all your tools put away. You are cleaning up. All right, it's your turn.